Hey my Empress Collective, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, welcome. Grab a seat, don't touch shit, just grab a motherfucking seat. And if this is not your first time, hey y'all, ooh, I want to give you guys a virtual hug. But y'all are about to come with me to go see the love of my life. And when I say the loves of my life, I mean my parents. We're about to go home. But real life, this is like where I regret booking an early flight. I have a love and hate relationship when it comes to early flights. Like, I want to get there early, but I don't want to wake up early. So if that's you, child, we had the same motherfucking stilo, because I was 2 seconds on just rescheduling. I didn't even pack the night before. I just started packing in the morning because your girl was fucking tired. Like, I just started throwing shit like, fuck it, it's gonna get there. Like, we all ball. And notice I didn't even get to finish my hair. I'm like, you know what, whatever. Like, I ain't even tripping. But I am surprised in my family because I'm the early bird and they're not, and they were like fucking dragging. Needless to say, they almost got me late. And I don't like that shit. Like, I'm a Capricorn. I like structure. But you know, your girl had to stop by Starbucks at the airport and get her a chai latte. You guys, I get this with oat milk. Steal it. It's to die for. But if you happen to be at gate B, you are lucky because they have the best chicken and waffles, y'all. Look at me. I was going ham, like, and I was so full. I was ready to go back home and sleep. Like, they was real life feeding you like you was at your grandma's house. But I had to stay focused. I gotta go. I got to go. Like, look at that weather, bitch. I am going. Like, I don't know what the fuck this shit is. It's ghetto. Now, normally I sleep on the plane. I put my headphones on and I sleep on the plane. But I said to myself, no, Melissa, you are a content creator now. Like, you have to really start taking your shit serious. And I felt like, you know what better way to do this than to just do your makeup on the plane. Like, it's giving like, okay, I didn't have time to do my makeup, but I'm still being committed to slay these bitches. So, as you guys can see, I'm priming my face like I do so well. And I'm using my Anastasia tint foundation. You guys, this is crazy, like dead ass. Like, it matches my skin so well, and it don't even give you that like cakey look. Get your hands on it because you guys will not regret it, trust me. Y'all remember when I reviewed that Liptastic lip plumper? Well, it actually worked. Like, look at your girl's lips. It's giving filler. Now, the girls was definitely lying when they said it works for 24 hours. It don't. It worked for 4 for me. So, you can always reapply it, but it definitely don't last no 24 fucking hours. Like, please. But yeah, guys, I'm over here just contouring and concealing. I was getting looked at so many times, but girl, I didn't give a fuck because I'm like, yo, y'all don't know my life. Y'all don't know my struggle. Y'all don't even know that I went through this morning. So yeah, y'all gonna have to watch me do my face. So I'm using my brush. Y'all already know I don't really like using my brush like that, but I didn't want to use my beauty blender because I would have to use their nasty water, and I heard the horror stories about using their water. So I'm like, yeah, no, we're just about to use the damn brush like everybody else. But yeah, it worked well for me. So anybody that use a brush, no shade, but I guess y'all hype. I started baking my face, and y'all, the turbulence was real. Like, it's almost like nobody cared. I'm like, what the fuck? I'm about to poke my eye, okay? Like, and one thing for sure, I'm not about to die with all this powder on my face. They gonna think I was snorting or some shit. But that shit stopped. It cooled down. I had to get my game face back on. But yeah, I think that my makeup came out very much so cool and cute, and it was giving very much so natural in a way, on a plain natural. And yeah, I start to like blush. And I don't know where the fuck I was living at, what planet I was in, why the hell I'm now using blush. But y'all, it's definitely a good finish when it comes to makeup. I went in with my Remedy lip gloss by Ari, and y'all already know how I feel about her. So yeah, it was definitely tea. And this is the look, y'all. Ooh, period. And after that, I went on and took a nap, y'all, because I started having a headache. I ain't gonna hold you. So I was ready to get the fuck And my Uber driver was driving reckless, and I should know because he had gloves on. What you wearing gloves for? But y'all, this is the look. This is the look. I did well. It's giving. It's giving. And as you can see, we're in Philadelphia, but I'm not a Philly girl. I'm a Jersey girl. But Philly, I love you guys so much. Mwah.